Hello, welcome everyone to another video. My name's Justin. We're going to get started with a really exciting extension for Raycast called AMP-X. And here's what it looks like. It allows you to use AMP's execute command to quickly create prompts and execute them really quickly as well. So what we have here is we have a very small project, just like two files in a directory. So what we're going to do is instead of opening up AMP in the CLI interactive mode, what AMP-X can do is quickly get rid of those low-hanging fruit. So create a README. Need to do that. We can open up a new pane. We can say add a license and then create a gitignore. So while that's doing that, let's take a look at the actual extension. It allows you to add new prompts. It allows you to edit prompts, delete prompts. These are the defaults that it comes with, and you can make it your own. So you can also add different categories. So if you want to go to manage prompt categories, you can do that by, you can add any new category that you would like. So now that we've gone through that, I think one thing that's cool is, and I got to add at the last minute, luckily, was to download as Markdown. As many of you know, and some of you might not know, we now have custom slash commands inside of AMP CLI. So you can download these and put them into your config folder where you can then use those as custom slash commands. If I hit download, it will go and download to my downloads folder, and then I can move that to wherever I would like. So all these three tasks are done. But what we can take a look at now is, we'll do a git status, and we can see that all of these are created. So now what we'll do is we're going to do a commit all changes, let that do its thing. And there we go. It's successfully committed. As we can look at git status, we can see that we're working on a clean tree. And for git log, what we can see is that this is added. We updated the README, we added a license, added a gitignore. So all of those things that were done with AMP-X. Check it out in the store. If you open up Raycast and type in store, you can just type in AMP-X and you can install it from there. All right, there we go. So that's all we got for you today. Thanks so much for checking it out, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.